Hello, good morning, my dear friends. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel, Learn English Words Daily. Dear friends, before we go through the entire content of this video, I request you people to read the disclaimer completely till the end and then proceed further. My dear friends, I welcome you all to this lesson 187 of today's video. In this lesson, let us try to explore two highly confusing personality type English words. What type of a person you want to be? Don't get shocked, dear friends. Yes, you please look at the following two words. The first word, it is pronounced as friend, F-R-I-E-N-D, friend, and you are very much familiar of this word. The next word, F-I-E-N-D, which is pronounced as fiend. I am very much sure most of the people do not know about this word, but this is the word which exists in English dictionary. So, based upon these two words, I am asking you the question, what type of a person you want to be? So, let us try to proceed further and try to learn the actual meanings and as to how these two words are used in sentence formation. Then you decide what type of a person you want to be, a friend or a fiend. My dear friends, when once you go through this video completely and if you feel the content provided in this video as very much useful to you, please give a like to this video. Also, share your comments and suggestions in the description box. Please share this video with your friends and other people who are interested to learn highly confusing English words every day. If you have not subscribed to this channel yet, please utilize the subscription option given here and subscribe to this channel. Now, without delaying much of our time, let's proceed further and try to explore the two words friend and fiend. My dear viewers, here is the first word of today's lesson. The word is F-R-I-E-N-D, friend. I'm very much sure you are all aware of this word and you will never forget this in your life. However, let us try to learn this word in a very detailed manner. Meaning of the word friend is a person who you know well and who you like a lot. Let us try to frame two sentences in order to understand its usage in sentence formation. Sentence 1. Tarun is my best friend. Sentence 2. I had a long talk about this with my best friend. There are some words which give similar meanings to the word friend. We call such groups of words as synonyms. Synonyms for the word friend are confident, comrade, buddy, pal. And the words which give opposite meanings to the word friend are enemy, foe, opponent, rival. Dear friends, we have learnt the simple word friend in a very detailed manner. Now let us try to proceed further and try to understand the word fiend in a very detailed manner. Dear viewers, here is the second word of today's lesson. The word is F-I-E-N-D, fiend. Meaning of the word fiend is a person who has evil plans in his mind. Or the meaning of fiend itself is devil. Let us try to frame two sentences by using the word fiend to understand its usage in sentence formation. First sentence, I have no idea who this murderous fiend may be. Second sentence, stop teasing her, you little fiend. There are some words which give similar meanings and synonyms for the word fiend or villain, demon, criminal, monster. The words which give opposite meanings to the word fiend are innocent, hero, saint. Dear friends, today you have understood the word fiend in a very comprehensive manner. So you will never forget the word fiend, and now you have gained very good confidence to use this word whenever the situation arises in future. My dear friends, after learning the two words friend and fiend in a very comprehensive manner, now you have gained complete confidence regarding using of these two words whenever the situation arises in future. So my wish is that you better be a friend and not a fiend. If you are a fiend, please transform yourself and become a friend. Thank you very much, friends. See you very soon with another list of highly confusing personality type English words. Till then, take care.